Welcome back to today's More Report Chart Proposals on Wednesday the 13th of April with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Asset Markets. Looking at cable now, and we've got this this rallying cable that we've seen in the last couple of days, and it's starting to roll over again, and it just plays in once more, I think, in terms of what we're seeing as a continued selling into strength on cable. We've got these lower highs that continue to run through from the underside of this downtrend channel. And that, I think, ultimately will prove to be that rallies are a chance to sell, and further pressure on the 140.50 level. The momentum indicators, again, they're slightly positive, but again, rolling over on the RSI. Stochastics beginning to lose that, or starting to decelerate on in terms of their recovery. And yesterday's move, we saw a high of 43.50. Or there or thereabouts, but then rolling over. And again, if you look on the hourly chart, you can see that 43.20 was a pivot line, and that to a certain extent still was coming in yesterday, wasn't it? And once that spike had unwound, that still came in as the subsequent hour as the basis of resistance. So it just seems as though this is rolling over once more. You've got the momentum indicators. Look at the MACD lines, bearish divergence there. Stochastics bearish divergence, just turning more into a sort of a neutral outlook on the stochastics, if not even more corrective, because you're now sort of failing underneath 80 and moving back below 20. MACD lines pulling back towards neutral, actually accelerating towards it as we speak. And the RSI as well, sort of pulling back. So it's more of a neutral outlook at best, if not possibly even the start of the correction again. So have we possibly seen the sell signal? Well, I'd still say you'd probably be looking at the 41.95, yesterday's reaction low. If you break below that, then I think the pressure will build once again. There's further support at 41.70, which is this old pivot. But I think that pressure is beginning to grow once again to the downside. And as I said on this daily chart, rallies are a chance to sell. And I think we may have seen the high again. So 43.50 may well now be that high in place. I think you're probably going to start to maybe consolidate for a bit, but turn lower, and then put pressure back on this 40.50 level, which was the support that we've seen throughout mid-late March, and pretty much into April as well. And I think we're going to get further pressure on that level in due course. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.